What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be switching out the EGR valve on the 5.7, and also I'm gonna be switching the EGR valve, the tube. So the truck has been running a little bit weird, and from the symptoms that the 5.7 has, it's the EGR valve. So we're gonna switch that out, guys. And also I'm gonna start taking off the headliner out. So we'll be taking all the trim pieces off and get it, the headliner out of the truck, because I am gonna start working on the top of the Yukon. The EGR valve is right there, right in front of the intake manifold. So I gotta take a couple of things off. I'll be able to get it off. Also with the EGR tube, runs right along there. So I gotta take some more pieces off. And also, guys, I am gonna start working on the roof of the truck. As y'all can see, guys, I did the roof rack delete. So I need to take off the headliner out, because the holes where the roof rack was, I'm gonna get those welded up. So I need to take the headliner out. And while the headliner is out, guys, I am gonna be replacing it. As y'all can see, I already started taking some of the pieces out, but I still gotta do the back. And the headliner, I'm gonna redo it in suede. So let's start taking the EGR valve off, and then we'll move into the inside of the truck to take out the headliner out. But guys, before I get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell also, guys, so y'all can know whenever I upload a video and y'all can watch it. But guys, y'all go ahead and do that. Go subscribe right now, man, and let's get started on the EGR valve. There it is, guys. Alright, guys, so the tube is out and the EGR valve is out. So let's install the new ones. Alright, guys, so the EGR valve is installed with the tube. I got everything already installed. As y'all can see, guys, new EGR valve with the tube already installed. Now, guys, the engine bay is pretty filthy. I do plan on giving it a full wash, giving it a good clean so it could look better. But that'll be at another video, guys. But for now, the EGR valve with the tube, it's installed. So let's jump into the headliner. Alright guys, be careful when you take off trim pieces. As y'all can see, I broke one already, but it's all good. I just gotta hit up the junkyard and try and go get another piece. So, but y'all be careful guys. Alright guys, so the headliner is out guys, and as y'all can see, it was pretty beat up and it's coming off. So we're gonna get all this replaced guys, like I said, with suede, and also the EGR valve is installed. So that's what I have planned for today guys. Stay tuned. I will be redoing the headliner, and also I am going to start working on the roof of the Yukon, getting the hose welded, re-sanding everything, and shooting it with primer. So that's going to be it guys for today's. Make sure you like and subscribe guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.